Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Yes, so Justice CJN Olukayode and one of the Chief Justice, you need to hear conversations and things going on as they discuss on the Presidential Election Tribunal verdict set the stage for the Supreme Court with crucial roles. So both of them will be playing crucial roles at the Supreme Court, and this is what is happening now. After the appeal, presidential election tribunal, the appeal and all that came on with it, a lot of Nigerians are still not happy. But hey, the judgment has already been given, and so persons concerned are heading to the Supreme Court, and that's where we are at. And it's up to the CGN to pick, those that will preside over the case, the justice. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. I finally had the opportunity to pursue the judgment from the Presidential Election Tribunal with no emotional investment in the outcome of the recent presidential election, given that critical issues like subsides from the underprivileged Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, and Peter Obi appeared indistinguishable. Most of the tribunal's decisions came as no surprise, considering that the conduct of the election in Nigeria is typically usual and marked with inefficiency, mirroring the broader state of affairs in the country. It is reasonable to question the credibility of electoral results. Furthermore, doubts about the impunities of the judges responsible for delivering verdicts, including the current one, are equally valid. And so more matters are coming up to look at the issue and bring in critical matters, copying the judgment that's circulating on public domain, balls and borders on Tinubu's presidential legal team. In any case, in the column, it has been revealed that the CJN Olukayode will be looking at the number of judges that will preside over the Supreme Court issue, and that will be looking into the case of Atiku and Obi to decide what next will happen. The judges disclose that critical issues will be looked at, and the review of the appeal will also be considered. The existence of the group of judiciary figures in Buhari's Aso Rock who were purposely involved in crafting election tribunal decision, a revelation that raised questions about the integrity of the process, with Tinubu's lawyer's inscription found on the final notes sent out as they tried to explain how and why their inscriptions were there. Many said it is because they got theirs and made a photocopy, and that was what was sent out to every single person. However, Justice Olukayode says Nigerians should be hopeful that the Supreme Court will regain the confidence of Nigerians and will put things back in place for Nigerians to know that they still have a nation, the judiciary, they can trust and are moving further to make Nigeria a better place for all. So this is what is happening right now, my lovely, wonderful people. Justice Olukayode is pleading with Nigerians to be patient, that there is opportunity, for the judiciary to redeem themselves. He will be picking the numbers of judges, and that will be looking over or presiding over the Supreme Court cases by Tuesday. Peter Obi and Atiku would have already submitted their interest to go further to the Supreme Court. And when this is considered and looked upon, more will be coming out. We will get to know the judges that will be presiding over that. So if you look at the whole thing, the stage is set. Or Justice Olukayode is assuring Nigerians that there is need for Nigerians to have faith again in the judiciary, and so everything will be properly considered and looked upon, properly. And this is what is happening, and everybody is waiting patiently to see how things will go on. So this is what is happening. Well, my people, would like to hear what you think. Would like to hear your thoughts on this matter. Would like to know, what you're thinking, so that together we can make a headway and we can make Nigeria a better place. Don't forget that you have a voice and that we must make this country work so that together Nigeria can become the very place that we all have been dreaming of. Yes. So my lovely people, na so the bill. They say may we trust, may we get heart and may we get faith, okay, in the system. Say this the Supreme Court will do us good. The Supreme Court will be much more better, hopefully. We are waiting for that, and we hope that at the end of the day, things will work out and everyone will be able to truly enjoy the dividends of democracy as we should. So these are some of the things that are going on. These are some of the things that are happening. And we really want all Nigerians to be well assured that whatever it takes and whatever it is, this nation, we all need, we all need Nigeria to become the place that it ought to be so that together, we don't have to jackba. We can enjoy our nation and we can get the best because together we can make a whole, we can make it all work. Yes? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Nigeria belongs to us and everybody has got a part to play. Okay? Everybody has got a part to play. And so we must do it together accordingly to make this nation, to make Nigeria work. Justice Olukade is assuring us again. We want to believe him. Okay, we want to believe him. We want to dare to believe him. He's already assuring us that, don't worry. This time we want to regain Nigerians' trust and we want the people to know that we are working for them. Well, we are hopeful that indeed, Nigerians will be able to, get the truth out of, for those who, for Obi and Atiku to be going to court saying that, they still feel that the case needs to be looked at. That means there is something that they know, okay, or they feel very strongly deep down within that there is something fishy. Okay, that means there is something they are very much, very, very much assured of that we may not be aware, and they just want to get it clarified or sorted. So if they, because going to Supreme Court not cheap, now millions, they're going to be burning millions. So, and remember that it's Obi and Atiku. It's only one person that can win, and Tinubu. It's only one person that can win, not two people. So if they feel that they are going to the Supreme Court, that means there is something. Okay, that means they are very sure that they won. So leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a fantastic day. From us is bye for now. Remember, you have a voice. Bye.